come we never dance? How come we never dance anymore? How come we never kiss on a night like this? How come we never kiss anymore? I can't waltz on my own, I feel so all alone. Let's give it one more chance. The sand beneath our feet, the music playing sweet. This is a night for romance. Down by the shore, there's an orchestra playing. Under the stars, palm trees are swaying. Open your heart, step out of this trance. Come and join me, come and dance. Let's walk along the sand, together hand in hand. The night is velvet and warm. Let's jump into the sea, together you and me, and dance in the waves until dawn. Let's rock, let's roll, let's lose our self-control. Let's give it one more chance. How come we never dance? How come we never dance? How come that we never dance? Down by the shore, there's an orchestra playing. Under the stars, palm trees are swaying. Open your heart, step out of this trance. Come and join me, come and dance.
This dance is called How Come We Never Dance. It's 40 counts, 4-wall, high beginner level waltz line dance, starting with the right foot. Section 1, weight is on the left. Right trinkle, cross that right, step left to left, replace. Cross, brush, step. Cross, brush, 1/8 left turn. Cross step right, brush left, make a 1/8 left turn, stepping on left, facing 10:30. Section 2, forward rock, half turn right. Rock forward on right, recover to left. Make a half turn right, stepping forward on right foot, facing 4:30. Was basic forward. Left foot forward, together on left. Was back. Step back right. Step left next to right. Step together on right. Forward, forward, quarter turn left. Step forward left. Step forward right. Pivot quarter left. Weight is now on left foot, facing 1:30. Rocking chair. Right foot rock forward, recover to left. Rock back, recover to left. Forward, right. Pivot half turn right on right foot. Facing 7:30. Left, rocking chair. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. Step forward left, 1/8 left turn, pivot on left foot, facing 6, section 4, right, twinkle, left, twinkle, step. Cross, right, 1/8 right turn, facing 1:30, back on left, step together on right. Back, 1/8 right side together. Step back left. Make a 1/8 right turn, stepping on right foot, facing 9. Step together on left. Let me walk through the steps with counts. Section 1. Right twinkle. 1, 2, 3. Cross, brush, step. 4, 5, 6. Left twinkle. 1, 2, 3. Cross, brush, 1/8 left turn. 4, 5, 6. Facing 1:30. Section 2, 4 rock, half turn right. 1, 2, 3. Facing 4:30. Was basic forward. 4, 5, 6. Was back. 1, 2, 3. Forward, forward, pivot quarter left. 4, 5, 6. Facing 1:30. Weight is on the left foot. Section 3. Rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward, pivot half right. 5, 6, facing 7:30. Rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward 5, 1/8 left. Pivot on left foot. 6. Section 4, right twinkle. 1, 2, 3. Left twinkle. 4, 5, 6. Cross, 1/8 right back together. 1, 2, 3. Back, 1/8 right together. 4, 5, 6. Facing 9. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. 1, 2,